Subscribe our channel Gorgeous You and hit the bell icon also so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hi friends, today in this video I'm sharing two healthy and nutritious weight loss recipes. These are the oats and flaxseeds Chile'S or pancakes. Another one is sprouted wheat and chickpeas salad. You can prepare these delicious recipes any time of the day, either in your breakfast, lunch or dinner. The oats and flax seeds Chile'S. Start your mornings with the delicious, healthy and easy to make superfood oats and flax seeds Chilla. Oats are incredibly nutritious. They are gluten-free, whole grain, great source of important vitamins and minerals, fibers and antioxidants. These oats are very low in calories. They keep us full for longer. Flax seeds are an ideal source of omega-3 fatty acids for vegetarians. Even if you don't eat fish, you should eat flax seeds to increase your omega-3 levels and fiber intake.
For this I have taken 1 capsicum, 2 carrots, some beans, 1 onion, ginger and chilies, and all the ingredients are finely chopped. Other ingredients are 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and 4 tablespoons of flax seeds, powdered flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. We just take a pan and roast our oats. As you can see, it is getting slightly brown. I have taken 2 cups of oats here. Take it off. Now it is done. And you put it into a mixer. Now look at its consistency. It should be powder like this. And now we are done here. Now put this oats powder into a bowl. And now I'll be mixing flaxseed powder into it. Then add curd. And after adding curd, I'll be adding all my masalas. Mix it well, and to make it a smooth batter, I will be adding water slowly. And again mix it. Again add some more water. Mix it well. To make it more smoother, I am using my hand blender. If you find it more thick, you can add more water. Make sure it should not be too thick or too runny. Now I will be adding my veggies one by one. Actually, it looks colorful. Now put a pan and heat it. Here I am using a trick to oil the pan. Take half of an onion, dip it in the oil and then apply oil with this. By doing so, very little oil is used. Be applying oil on hot tawa. And I'll be placing batter on it.
Spread it evenly. Put the heat on low and let it cook. Need to apply oil again. Now I'll be flipping my chilla. Let it cook again. So here we have our oats and flaxseeds chillas or pancakes. Just delicious, healthy, ready for you. I hope you're gonna try it soon. Friends, include this recipe in your daily diet plan. Now let's start our second recipe. This one is the most healthy sprouted wheat and chickpea salad. So first of all, let me show you how I have sprouted wheat. I have taken a cup of wheat seeds and added water into it. Water should be at room temperature, not too cold nor too hot. Leave the seeds to soak for at least 6 to 12 hours. Now drain the water, rinse these seeds carefully with water. Now wrap these seeds in a muslin cloth or in any handkerchief. Next morning the seeds will look like this. Now rinse again and wrap these seeds in the same muslin cloth. Keep it aside for again 6 hours. Next day the sprouts will look like this. So nice. Now I will wash these sprouts with lot of fresh water and keep it aside. Now quickly let me explain the importance of wheat sprouting. Sprouting makes wheat seeds 300% more proteins, responsible for improving metabolism, boosting energy and keeping blood sugar levels stable. Only 3 days of sprouting increase the density of vitamins dramatically. The content of vitamin E increases to 300%, vitamin C increases to 600%, and content of vitamin B becomes 1000% higher. The content of vitamin B17, known for the prevention of cancer, is 100% higher than in unsprouted seeds. Now the ingredients required for this salad. 2 cups of sprouted wheat, 1 cup of chickpeas, 1 cucumber, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 2-3 green chilies, cilantro leaves or coriander, lemon juice, and here we have roasted cumin powder, salt, red chilies and some roasted peanuts, about 3 tablespoons. I have pressure cooked the chickpeas and wheat sprouts by adding salt and water into it up to 6 to 7 whistles on a low flame. Drain excess water and transfer them into a big bowl. Now I will be adding cucumber, chopped onions, tomatoes and green chilies. Now add red chili powder, cumin powder and then salt, and finally I'll be adding lemon juice. Mix it well. Garnish it with fresh green cilantro. So here we have our colorful, super nutritious and delicious sprouted wheat and chickpea salad ready. Friends, do try this salad and include this amazing recipe in your diet plan. And I'll see you soon with the new video. Till then, eat right and stay light. Bye bye.